In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Ruby in your PC, Windows 11. So let's go. Let's go to the browser, and here you just have to search for Ruby. Here you can see we got here Ruby programming language. So just go with this, and here you can see we have option here, download Ruby. Just click here, download, and you can see this is for the Linux, this is for the Mac OS, and this is for the Windows. So just go with the Windows. Click here, download, and just click here. Okay, so guys, here you can see we have downloaded it, and let's open it. Double click on it and just click here, and then click here, run anyway. So here you can see, so you can actually select here, install for all user, say yes, select I accept the license, then click next, and then now you have to actually click here, install. And here you can see you have to check these two line. Okay, add Ruby extension, add Ruby executable to your path, right? So if you check it, you don't need to actually set environment variable, right? Okay, so keep it in mind. Okay, just check it, then click here, install, and then just click here, next. Okay, fine. Here you can see now just click here, finish, and here you can see we got cmd command prompt, and here you can see Ruby installer 2 for Windows, right? And here you can see the option which so it asking us that which components shall be installed, right? So we actually want to go with first one and third one, right? So just press enter. Now which component shall be installed? If unsure, press enter. So let's press enter. Okay, done. Now let's go for the cmd and check here Ruby ---- version, and here you can see we have successfully installed it, right? So guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching.